Yesterday we did concept related questions. Today we'll be doing moderate question of the same concept. Right, so we'll be doing moderate question. Just 1 minute. So the question says that Ramesh has bought a lottery ticket. Okay. So Ramesh has bought a lottery ticket and won rupees 10,000. He wants to finance the future study of his newly born daughter and invest this money in a fund with a maturity of 18 years, offering a promising return, promising a yearly return of 6%. So that is what he wants. Okay. So you are required to calculate what is the amount available on 18th birthday of his daughter. You are required to calculate the amount that would be available as on the 18th birthday of a daughter. So I'll give you 2 minutes. Now understand the concept. What is the concept behind this? What are they asking, and try to solve it. Okay, let's try to solve this question. Now the question says that Ramesh has bought this lottery ticket. Now see, is it one-time investment? Over here, if you see, has invested this amount. This is one-time investment. Right, this is one-time investment, and he is investing this for how many years? 18 years. Correct, offering a promising yearly return of 6%. So what is the amount of on the 18th birthday of his daughter? Now in order to calculate the future value, it would be present value 1 plus r power n. So this is 10,000. R over here is 6%. N is 18 years. Right, now how to solve 1.06 power 18? So I'll tell you this. So first, break 18 into smaller parts. Like for example, 18 could be written as 6 into 3, or it could be written as 9 into 2. Right? So 18 could be 6 into 3, it could be 9 into 2. So what we can do, let's take 6 into 3. You can take the other one also. So this is written as like this, 1.06 power 6 power 3. Now on your calculator, write 1.06, press multiplication and equals to 1 less than the power. So if it is 6, you will do it 5. Again multiplication and equals to 2 times. I'll show you over here. 1.06 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again multiplication 1, 2. So the value is coming as 2.854. Now, we'll multiply this by 10,000. The answer will come as 28,544.39. How many of you got the same answer? Okay, next one. Now, we will be discussing about the concept of present value. So, when you talk about present value, what is the concept all about? Now, present value says, let's say if you want you have to start with something and you want like 15,000 after 5 years. So how much amount will you invest today so that after 5 years you have 15,000 with you? So from this value is basically not given in case of present value. You have to calculate today's amount of investment. So whenever the question says about what amount we will invest today, this question is actually talking about the, whenever they ask what is the amount that we're going to invest today, that means they're asking about the present value, right? So future value was from today's value, you have to calculate the value of 5 years later. Here we will calculate what is the amount of investment today that we are doing. So when we move from future to from present to future, we call it as compounding. From present to future, it is compounding. From future to present, it is discounting, right? Now, a very basic question, you're required to calculate the present value when future value is given 1 lakh. So you know that you want 1 lakh rupees after 5 years. For this, how much amount should be deposited today? Not in installments, not every year, not every month, today, right? At 1.09 rate of return for 5 years, so that you get an amount of 1 lakh rupees, right? So how will calculate x divided future value upon 1.09 ki power 5. This is coming as 1.5386, dividing this by 1 lakh. So the answer will come as 64,994. Is it clear? So these classes are even scheduled in the evening. In case you're not able to watch it in the morning, you can even watch them in the evening. Dinesh is likely to get rupees 10,000 after 5 years. What is the value as on date if the time value of money is likely to change at the rate of 10%? Dinesh is likely to get 10,000 after 5 years. So today, let's say there is an X amount, right? That will be invested at a rate of 1.10 for 5 years. What is the amount? And the future value is what? 10,000. So X is equal to 10,000 upon 1.10 power 5. So 1.10 power 5 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1.61051. And then 10,000 divided by 1.61051. This will give us 6209. Correct? Getting the same answer? Next one. Rudy will retire in 20 years. This is a moderate level question now. Right? So Rudy will retire in 20 years. This year he wants to fund an amount of rupees 15,000 to become available in 20 years. How much he has to invest into pension fund earning 7%? So Rudy will retire in 20 years, right? The amount is today X. He is not aware that how much amount he has to invest, but he knows that market is at present offering a rate of return of 1.0%, 1.07%. Time period is 20 years and he wants 15,000 rupees after 20 years. So can we calculate? See, the only part over here is to understand what concept or what is the language of the question. Once you understand the language of the question, it would be easier for you to understand the concept. So here the power will come as 3.86870, right? So 15,000 divided by 3.870 will give you, yes, so here this is the answer, 3876.29, option number B. 3876.29. So how many of you got that clear? Is it clear, the concept? Right, so we have done the two basic concepts. Now in the next class we will be talking about the concept of annuity. Right now we were talking about single cash flow. Right now we'll talk about the concept of annuity, what the cash flow is, multiplying every year. Then we'll talk about what if it is growing every year. So we'll be talking about this. I hope this concept is clear to everyone. Okay. So here the prices of CAIIB Mahapack at present is 6599, but this is at 80%. This will decrease by 1 more percent. So this will reduce to 5 something or 6 2 something. Right? If you enroll today, but tomorrow onwards the prices are increasing. Whether you are English medium candidate or a bilingual candidate, CAIIB provides classes for both bilingual and English separately.